Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations. So here we have someone, her hair is just around the waist length, I would say, and it looks like she's going to get a bob. Oh, that is a lot of hair. Little bangs to frame out her face. Gorgeous amount of volume achieved here. Nice, simple, and chic bob makeover. Whoa, so we have another long to short makeover here. Wow, he is just cutting that hair right off. Ooh, she's getting a pixie. Wow. Oh, she looks absolutely amazing. A beautiful pixie shape. So much volume and texture. Frames her face perfectly. So here we have our curly cut makeover. So she got a cute little curly pixie style tapered cuts. And then here we have a bob makeover. So this is like a good example of an old money style bob. Then we got a beautiful pixie. And then we have another long to bob makeover. I love how you can see her gray hair is peeking through. So pretty. So here we have a color transformation. And this is one of my favorite hairstyles to go to for color inspiration. Like, he just does such beautiful color work. And this client starts off with layered hair. She has like this beautiful dark brunette color going on. And she is about to try out one of my personal favorite trends, especially for 2024. She has such beautiful hair. Look how thick it is. So pretty. Oh my goodness. Wow. Oh, this is absolutely gorgeous. And her thick hair with the layers. I mean, he really did his thing with this makeover. She looks breathtaking. Wow. So here we have someone, looks like she wants to get a pixie cut or a super short mini bob. Okay, yeah, he's definitely doing a pixie here. Very nice. She has the face framing bangs going there. Beautiful shape and texture. So here we have someone. She has a bob. Looks like she has some grown out color. So he does end up cutting the hair, coloring the hair, and going much shorter. Oh, she kind of got like a baby mullet here. AKA Mixie haircut. This is really cute. This is so popular right now too. I see so many people with like the Mixie, the baby mullet style. It's definitely trending. So here we have another pixie makeover. She's got this beautiful salt and pepper color. Oh wow. She looks absolutely amazing. That pixie shape, spot on. I love the asymmetrical pixie. It's just so pretty. So here we have a layered haircut transformation. And as you guys know, the layered cut is just going to give you some shape and volume to your hair. I guess that's the tool she's using for that. So many new, like within the past, like I'd say 10 years, there's been so many new interesting hair tools that have come out. It's like, okay, you get hit with them like every day. I see them all over TikTok. So here we have another bob makeover. Oh, gorgeous. Her hair is so thick. Absolutely beautiful bob. I love the way that the color looks too here. So here we have someone, she's got shoulder length hair. Looks like she's getting some color. Ooh, perfect summer style. She went lighter and brighter. I really hope that this woman is cutting her hair because she has the most gorgeous jaw shape. I hope this stylist finds a way to enhance that, show it off. I feel like she would look really good with a bob or a pixie. But she does end up getting this really cute face framing layered wavy cuts. Look at the texture of that hair, so pretty. Alright you guys, thank you so much for checking out today's video. If you did enjoy it, please be sure to hit that subscribe button, give it a big thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one.